That was funnier than it should have been. It was funnier in my head than it should have been. How's it going, appetizers, and welcome back. We are in the new kitchen. This is officially our first video. So today we're going to ease off with something nice and simple. A recipe that I saw on Facebook, I think it was. It was a Jamie Oliver video, and it was coffee and honey cheese.
Woo! Yeah!
Okay, really strange, really exciting, so I wanted to give it a go, and that's going to be our first recipe today. So, we're going to start off with West Country Farmhouse cheddar, which I bought from a supermarket that has more reasons to buy there. So I'll take it down to the board, I'll show you what we've got, and then we'll get this recipe going. So like I said, this is our West Country cheddar. We've got coffee beans, and our honey, and some crackers to bang it on. So this is about a 350 gram block of cheese. We'll quarter that down. Next we're going to do our coffee. Nothing overly extravagant, just some medium roast. Obviously if you've got a coffee grinder, you're more than welcome to use a coffee grinder. I just want to be able to pretend just use a pestle of mortar. So let's get this ground up. I will remove that knife from my area. That's our coffee ground up. I've gone for quite a fine grind. I don't know where the camera is now. Hopefully that's in frame. Now I don't know how much this rosemary is going to sort of infuse itself into the flavour of anything, but it's always worth a go, and fresh rosemary is pretty good. Let's drizzle some of it. Let's get a drizzle. Oh yeah! Get some of that coffee goodness on there. I think that's what you need. You don't need a lot, surely. Let's lay some crackers out, ready to go. So there you go, I suppose, guys. Farmhouse tangy cheddar cheese, really sweet fresh honey, and then a medium roasted coffee on top, back here. Got. That's the kind of cheddar that brings your back teeth forward, if you know what I mean. Got. And cheddar is really strong, balanced by the honey. Personally, didn't get a lot from the coffee there, from where the coffee was ground. I'll go again at this front bit. Coffee was there a bit more that time. I don't know what it's doing though. I'm not saying it's bad. The cheese and the honey I really get, especially with this is a really this is a strong cheddar. So the sweetness from the honey really balances it out. I don't know what the coffee's doing. Sorry, Jamie. Really don't. I mean, I'll go with a cracker, see if that balances anything else out. I can smell the coffee, but it's not. Right, let's dunk in that bit. Let's not drop the cheese. I don't understand the coffee. The cheese and honey, that perfect. Really not getting the coffee. You give it a go. You tell me. I don't quite know what to say. I don't think it's a bust because the cheese and the honey. That's life. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty good. Coffee, I'm not understanding. like I said, if you guys want to try it, please do. That's it for today's video, guys. That was our cheese coffee honey from Jamie Oliver. Probably won't be doing it again with coffee, not gonna lie. And that is today's video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all future videos coming to the channel. If you do want to try this recipe, please do. Please send a picture of it on social media to me. All applicable links are down in the description box below. And also don't forget to feed your appetite and check out all available videos to you on the channel. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching, guys. So, let's take you down to the chopping board and we can show you what we've got. Let's not walk away while I'm still talking. Attempt this recipe. Stop walking away!